7 ways to get rid of toxic cleaning agent. One of the significant challenges we face in going green is getting rid of those toxic materials we feel we cannot do without. And cleaning agents are one of those household products that you may find challenging to eliminate in your plans to go entirely green. Yet, in our correspondence with clients and audiences that visit our pages, it is clear that most of us think we cannot find suitable alternatives to these conventional cleaning agents. We have noticed that you must change your attitude to eliminate toxic chemicals. Like many others, you may have become accustomed to these toxic cleaning agents and believe that we cannot entirely do without them. Thus, you may be mixing up some green practices and still have these toxic products on your shelves. Well, it does not have to be like that, for we do not have to go halfway in getting rid of these toxic cleaning agents. Instead, we will show you that you can go the full length in getting rid of toxic chemicals that find their way to the environment through our activities. We hope you can follow the steps listed below so we can all go the entire length in getting rid of these hazardous cleaning agents. Number 1. Use more homemade cleaning products. It is no longer a secret that you can make your soap and other cleaning products with vinegar, baking soda, and other natural products that we can easily find around us. You can learn how to make them from online sources for free, and since the materials are easily attainable and affordable, you can save money and help protect the environment. Number 2. Discard manufacturers without a track record of protecting the environment. Manufacturers are aware of the increasing damage caused by some of the chemicals and substances used in making their products. While some are making progress in reducing the use of harmful substances and embracing non-toxic products and materials, others are playing tricks by not disclosing ingredients and substances used in manufacturing their products. We advise you to boycott manufacturers that do not display elements and lack transparency with track records of protecting the environment. Number 3. Research and find alternative cleaning products. We understand that some conventional products do an excellent job cleaning and keeping your home clean. But alternatives and safer products protect your health and the environment from toxic substances. Research and learn more about alternative products you should replace with conventional ones. Read reviews and learn from others who have used these products and their effectiveness. Number 4. Encourages and supports green products and manufacturers. You do not have to support manufacturers financially to help the movement of going green and using less toxic products. At FastKlean, we understand the importance of reviews and how they help us grow as a company. Therefore, we will encourage you to promote these companies that promote non-toxic cleaning agents by dropping reviews, feedback, and comments to help promote their products to more people. Most likely, you have been encouraged by others that have used their products, and it is fitting that you joined the campaign to promote non-toxic cleaning agents. Number 5. Start recycling products you use. One of the simplest ways to eliminate toxic cleaning agents and reduce your carbon footprint is to recycle products. First, look at the cleaning products you are using and sort out the ones you can recycle, for example, containers of used cleaning products. Then, instead of throwing away containers of cleaning products you have used, wash and rinse them and put them with other users. You can use these recycled products to store your homemade cleaning products, as you save money and prevent these plastic containers from ending. Number 6. Speak to a consultant. Getting the right advice is essential if you plan to go green and eliminate toxic cleaning products. There are the latest innovations with advanced technologies to help reduce toxic waste to the environment. However, we have noticed that one of the challenges is awareness of the methods and approaches to take. And thus, we have made avenues for our audience to contact us to know more about the techniques they can apply to protect themselves and the environment. It would be best if you spoke to a consultant with advanced knowledge of toxic cleaning products, their effect and the alternatives available for you. And they will provide you with the best approach to suit your lifestyle. Number 7. Start now. The knowledge you acquire about getting rid of conventional toxic cleaning products will be for nothing if you do not take action. We advise that you start now with what you know and advance as you get to learn more. We have run several seminars about the effect of toxic products, and we have left many people amazed about the harmful impact of their actions on the environment. Still, most have not done anything to curtail the toxic products they use. And that is why we want you to start now with all you know about reducing the use of toxic cleaning products. Take the more straightforward steps like using homemade cleaning products, or buying cleaning products from manufacturers with soundtrack environmental friendly products. Now you can start your journey of getting rid of all toxic cleaning products in your home. We hope you can share these tips with your friends and families, who will find them useful as you help create more awareness. Enjoyed our content? Give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and subscribe for more of the same. Have questions or ideas? Want to ask us something? Drop us a line in the comments below. Also, we would like to invite to join our virtual online masterclasses to learn more about keeping your home clean and tidy. Thank you for watching, and until next time, FastKlean. A greener and healthier future.